I debated a flat earther once. He got so mad he stormed off and said he'd go to the end of the earth to prove me wrong. He'll come around eventually. You're welcome.
Heading into one of my most favorite stores.
Well, what if we went in the cave?
You can go under there, yeah.
Hey, that's like the fryer we use.
Yeah, it's cool.
Turkey fryer for maple syrup.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And lobster boils. All that other cool stuff.
Yeah,
Man, we gotta get a smoker or something.
I know, it'd be really cool.
Dehydrators.
Yes, a dehydrator would be awesome.
They got a lot of sweet stuff for like just straight up off grid stuff too, right? Like camping, this is basically permanent camping off grid. Right?
Yeah.
Hey, they have those toilets too.
Oh,
Hey?
right. Yes, I love our toilet. Like our lug
Yeah.
lube? Yeah.
See, there's a portable toilet right there. There's another one. Yes. Oh, there's the, look at the lid.
Yes.
The most special lid ever right there.
Ever.
You need that lid in a good bucket and you're good forever.
Yeah.
Life is better. Man, there's a lot of them, eh? Look,
Yeah.
cool. Love it here. Comfy. There's a cool grinder, right? That'd be better than the hand grinder we use. Yeah, that looks cool. Yeah, still cute. There you go, now you're ready. Looking awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, there's the setup we need. The boat, the bike, the truck. That's actually the stuff, the plates we have.
Yeah. Before we get out of here, I just have one last thing to grab. The fudge, because I absolutely love their fudge here. Here, you hold it on that end since you're just standing here. Pretty cool. That's just from tapping it yesterday. Awesome.
wish I was building this in Texas. All right, we got half are done.
Yay!
Other than one piece we need to cut at the back, but I don't feel like getting into that here at the end of the day, so.
We're so tired. We're just enjoying the last little bit of sun before it goes down for the evening, right on our front porch.
Yeah, it's cool.
Pretty cool.
I'm pretty hungry, to be honest. More than anything, I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I need coffee.
And that'd be nice too, yeah. So the buckets are starting to drip a bit for the maple syrup, and we got half a roof. We got another half to do, and
We're
some
pretty
more
happy.
buckets to put out.
Yes.
But it's all coming good. It feels like spring's on the way, so
Yeah.
I'm sure we're not without another snowstorm,
Possibly even this weekend.
but that's all good. Like, well, one day at a time.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you later.
See ya.